Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today, I'm going to be drawing my hand, but it's going to kind of look three-dimensional on this piece of paper. So, the way I'm going to do this is I'm basically going to trace my hand onto this piece of paper here, and then I'm going to draw lines over it, but once I hit my trace out hand, I'm actually going to arch the lines on top of my fingers and across my hand to make it look like my hand is popping out. So, without further ado, let's get right into it. So, as you can see, the first thing I'm doing here is I'm just going to sketch out my hand, and I'm just drawing some lines across it. On my hand, I'm drawing some arched lines to give the shape of my hand that's popping out. I'm then going to go over with Sharpie, as you can see here, and just fill in all of those and make those lines permanent. So now I'm just kind of filling in my colors. I'm starting with red here, going to orange. I got my yellow going in now. Green's next. I got blue now, and then purple. All these colors will be linked in the description down below. I'm going to go back over Sharpie since my pencils kind of blurred out the Sharpie a little bit. Sharpies will be in the description down below as well. I'm going to go back over those lines again, and yeah. So, as you can see, we're all done. So let me point out a few of my mistakes I made. So the first one is, I would have liked to have made this finger a little bit straighter and not come in so much here. Make it a little more cartoony. Next, I don't know how this happened, but I somehow didn't draw another line to fit my orange in with right here. So I did actually draw an extra one. As well as for everyone at home, I already said this in time lapse. If you're going to want to arch your lines just a little bit more right here, it will be a lot easier if you have an arch tool. But I was doing this free-handed and not really paying that much attention to it. I may try and do this video again in the near future just to kind of make up what I did, and I didn't really pay attention to this part right here, as if I was ever going to tear this out of this page, my line that I would tear out at would be right along here, so it doesn't really matter if my colors go over it, because my fingers don't, so you'd still be able to see my full hand on that page. So, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you again next time. Make sure you share this video with friends and family, and push the bell icon to enable notifications, and yeah, thanks for watching. See you next time. Oh, and all of my supplies I used are in the description of the video. Now, thanks for watching. Bye.